Howdy, everybody. It is I, and yeah, who am I? I'm Rich Lawrence. That's who I am. I'm the guy that bought this box of comic book goodness from Iconic Comics. New box design, it looks like. This is for Kamen America 7, I would think. Was it 7 or is it? No, it's 7. Or is it 8? You know what? I lost track. I've been just going crazy with it. So, but anyway. New box design. We can see Scott Malin here. A lot of his art now is being featured on here, which is cool because Scott's a really good artist. I like his stuff. But anyway, just came in the mail. Just showed up. Literally got the notification like 5 minutes ago. Ran upstairs, grabbed it, and brought it down here into my geek cave to do the unboxing. So you can kind of see here, yeah, it's still all sealed up and everything. So you know what? Let's just get right to it. We're going to grab my trusty Kershaw Cryo, and we're going to open. So let's go ahead and let's open this up here. Ooh, let's try not to slice my rug in half either here, you know? All right, I'm doing this kind of one-handed because I'm holding the camera. I tried doing like a which, you know, propping it up, and I couldn't get it, so that was a no-go. So, but anyway, I just want to be careful because this Cryo is a pretty sharp knife. It's brand new. I've had it maybe a couple months now, and it really is a beautiful knife. So if you're one of those guys, come on, focus. If you're one of those guys that, you know, you're a knife guy or something like that, definitely worth it. But anyway, okay. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this. Oh, gotta do the top. Hang on. Let me switch hands. I'm a righty. Ooh, here we go. The thank you card. That's kind of cool. Of course. It's always well packaged. Always. Oh, look at that. Now, I just opted for the book this time round. That's it. Just the book. So. Ooh, here we go. I don't want to bend it. Oh, another card. I don't know if I have this one. I'll have to check. Have to see if I have this one. Why is this video just doesn't want to focus very well. We'll check that out. And then of course there's this. Oh. That's kind of cool. I'll find a spot to pop this up, maybe get a little frame or something to put it in, and that. But yeah, this one, oh, that's kind of cool. It kind of it's like a lenticular or something. It glows a little bit on the outline of her costume. I was looking at it kind of at a weird angle. Kind of glows. That's kind of cool. Wish I could capture that, but I can't. But anyway. But simple unboxing today, just because I kind of opted, because I wanted to save for the Black Hops that's coming up, because I got to get Patriot R. Come on. Who doesn't want a stuffed otter that will, you know, kick ass? Give me a break. So, but yeah, that's basically this unboxing. Thanks to Tim and Tom for the great work they do. Everybody at Iconic for, you know, helping these guys bring this to life and get it to us, the fans. Appreciate it. This is good stuff. Thanks, and we'll see you for the next one.